Insightly CRM Honest Review. Watch before using. Let's dive straight into this Insightly CRM review. Insightly is a cloud-based customer relationship management tool designed primarily for small to mid-sized businesses. Its core features include lead management, project management, email tracking, and task automation, all in one platform. Unlike many CRMs that focus solely on sales pipelines, Insightly integrates project management directly into the system, which is a huge plus for businesses that want to track customer interactions beyond the sales stage. One standout feature is its Kanban-style task management, great for visualizing workflows. The built-in email marketing tool lets you create, send, and track email campaigns without needing third-party integrations. You can set up custom workflows to automate tasks like sending follow-ups, updating records, or assigning leads, saving your team valuable time. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with major tools like Gmail, Outlook, Slack, and QuickBooks. Who is it best for? Insightly is perfect for small businesses that need both CRM and project management features in one platform. If you're a growing business juggling leads, ongoing projects, and client follow-ups, this tool covers it all. However, for larger enterprises or businesses with more complex sales pipelines, it might fall short in terms of advanced reporting and customization compared to competitors like Salesforce or HubSpot. That said, let's talk about usability. The interface is clean and intuitive, but some users report a learning curve, especially when setting up automations. It's not as beginner-friendly as some CRMs like Pipedrive, so if you're not tech-savvy, be prepared to spend some time getting used to the system. On the upside, their mobile app is robust, letting you manage tasks, deals, and emails on the go. Pricing? This is where Insightly gets mixed reviews. The basic plan starts at $29 per user per month, which is competitive, but key features like workflow automation are locked behind higher tier plans. So if automation is essential for you, expect to pay more. Pros? Great project management features, strong integrations, and solid email marketing tools. Cons? Limited customization options, a steeper learning curve, and higher pricing for premium features. Final verdict? If you're a small business needing a hybrid CRM and project management tool, Insightly is a solid choice. But if you're looking for a highly customizable, enterprise-level CRM, it may not be your best option. Evaluate your specific needs before committing.